How do you measure excellence? It isn't just a claim, it's a credential. It's proven by a legacy of trust, validated by the world's most respected educational authorities. It is the mark of a world-class institution. At Rise, our commitment is certified. Our international education programs are accredited by city guilds. We are recognized as a premier institution by ASIC. Our operational excellence is sealed with the globally recognized ISO 9001:2015 standard for quality management. This is our promise in writing. This isn't just a local education, it's a global passport. Our official College Board CEB code is a direct key, unlocking doors for our students to seamlessly register for SAT and AP exams and apply to universities worldwide. We've recently opened our own SAT and exam center. Partnerships with global leaders like Cognia further solidify our commitment to international standards and global readiness. And the numbers speak for themselves. This system of excellence delivers proven results. 52% of our graduates have secured university placements abroad, while 48% are pursuing studies in Iraq and the Kurdistan region. Our graduates' academic choices reflect both ambition and diversity. Medicine, 40%. Engineering, 15%. Education, 15%. IT computer science, 15%. Business marketing, 10%. Psychology, 5%. This success reflects not only the strength of our curriculum but also the dedication of our teachers and the supportive learning environment that defines Rise. It all happens with a personalized 8-to-1 student-teacher ratio. This is success by the numbers. This success is nurtured in a world-class campus. From our 4 advanced laboratories to our 16 smart classrooms, every inch is designed to support our certified curriculum. Our partners are not just names on a wall, they are integrated into the systems that empower our students every single day. Rise International School Erbil. More than a school. It's a certified promise for a world of opportunity.